It has been almost 9 years since the unveiling of the world's fastest train in Japan. However, the train is still in its testing period and is expected to complete its first official journey in 2027. The train is scheduled to complete its track by the end of 2045, nearly 100 years after Japan first looked at maglev technology. The train is suited for long-distance traveling and has registered a top speed of 374 miles per hour in the testing period. With this staggering speed, it is the fastest train in the world. That's why today, we have decided to talk about what's inside this $100 billion fastest train. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos like this one. And having said that, let's get into the video. Covering long distances on trains seems a bit old-fashioned now, since the rise in air travel. However, this train uses maglev technology and is supposed to get passengers from one place to another even quicker than aeroplanes. Now, before we start, let's understand what maglev technology is. SCMaglev, more commonly known as superconducting magnetic trains, was a concept and design developed by the Central Japan Railway Company. The basic principle behind this technology is that it causes the train to accelerate due to repulsion between the train and the tracks. The word maglev, as you can see, is the combination of two words, magnetic and levitation. Magnetic levitation, or the floating trains on the tracks, helps this train achieve such high speeds and cover distances much faster. Another thing to notice about the maglev is that this train is incredibly safe and has minimal to zero chances of an accident. The train has superconducting electromagnets called bogies, and the track contains two sets of cross-connected metal coils wound into a figure-8 pattern to form electromagnets. The train also uses rubber wheels to stop and begin the ride. Once the ride starts, the rubber wheels come out and the train starts moving slowly, allowing the electromagnets in the train to interact with the track. Once the train attains a speed of 150 kilometers per second, the repulsion has become so strong that it allows the train to levitate in the air, and it lifts the train 4 inches off the ground. This eliminates friction and allows the train to reach the maximum speed possible. Tesla's Hyperloop uses the same technology, and it is extremely safe and easy. The top speed reached by various maglev trains operational globally is between 260 and 300 miles per hour. However, in April 2015, the maglev train recorded the highest speed ever, breaking the previous two set records by itself. The train clocked 375 miles per second, making it the world's fastest train. Another key feature of this maglev train is the deployment of the track. A maglev train has a unique route for itself, inaccessible by other trains to ensure its safety. Therefore, it is costly and built with great care. The initial track is from Tokyo to Nagoya, and it is expected to complete by the end of 2027. The estimated time the train will take for the journey is 40 minutes, which is even less than an airplane. The exact distance is 1 hour 40 minutes when you travel by the current Tokaido line. However, the primary purpose of the train is to ensure the shortest traveling time between Tokyo and Osaka, which is expected to be 67 minutes after the completion of the track. However, this route is scheduled to begin operation by the end of 2045, making it a pretty long wait for the people. Around 80% of the track is expected to be underground, going through the mountains and the urban cities. And this vast 177 miles track is predicted to cost around $55 billion alone. However, test rides have been open since 2012, and people are available for the public. Anyone can visit the SCMaglev Parkway in Nagoya and enjoy the free test ride of the world's fastest train. The delaying factors of the project have been its unconventional tracks design, and also the coronavirus pandemic. The project has also been reported to exceed its budget, as the track is solely developed by the maglev train. Also, due to the high speed of maglev trains, the tracks need to have a minimum and slight curves, which can be a limitation in the tunnels and other terrains the track goes through. Ongoing protests throughout the country against infrastructure development has also led to the delay of the project. The officials expected the train to provide test rides for the Tokyo Olympics, but since the event was canceled due to the coronavirus pandemic, the launch has been delayed further. The train has had many successes on trial runs and even clock the top speed for a train. However, the commercial journeys will have a top speed of 300 miles per hour. And once completed, the train is set to include 16 carriages, which are capable of holding 1,000 passengers at a time. The train is built to withstand air resistance, and its aerodynamic face ensures it travels with immense speed while cutting through the air. The train has a sleek interior and has 2 economy and business classes, and the train's weight is significantly less than its competitors, and it's half the weight of a bullet train. The lack of weight also helps the train levitate mid-air during the journey. Once complete, the passengers will be able to get the new line in 2027 from its Tokyo station, which has been developed with excellence. The trains will travel at a maximum speed of 505 kilometers per hour. The route of the first journey will include 6 main stations: the Shinagawa station, the Nagoya station, and the prefectures of Kanagawa, Yamanashi, Nagano, and Gift. Quick travel has become a basic necessity, and this environmentally friendly train helps provide middle-distance transport at exceptionally high speed. With this project completed, Japan will surely be a market leader for public train transport. Well, that brings us to the end of our video. Comment right below what you think of this super fast technology, and would you like to travel in it one day? Before going anywhere, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling videos like this one. Until the following video, stay tuned.